of prefabricated column, this one here. Huge amount of coordination is required for such work. This is an area which is still not fully cleared for construction. There are trees, there are houses, there are footpaths, compound walls. All this will go. Concrete mixers are being used 24 hours. There's a case in High Court on other side of the road also. We see a lot of clearing. All this is going to be demolished. Huge amount of clearance at Giri. We are approaching Porvorim now. Most of these compound walls will be demolished. Some are already demolished.